Does your home still feel a bit cheap or unfinished, but you would dream of that calm luxury look? In the next minute, I'll show you how to get a luxe for less home and balcony without a big budget. First, fix the colors. When every pillow and decor piece has a different shade, the room feels busy and low-end. Choose 2 or 3 main colors and repeat them. A simple, cohesive palette that instantly looks more high-end. Next, upgrade the lighting. One harsh ceiling light makes the space feel flat, like an office. Add a floor lamp, a table lamp, and some warm string lights. Layered, soft lighting creates that cozy, luxurious atmosphere you see in designer homes. Textiles are your quick win. Short curtains and thin, shiny throws usually look cheap. Hang curtains from high down to the floor and use thicker, textured fabrics for blankets and pillows. This one change can completely transform your living room. On the balcony or in a small garden, random colorful plant pots kill the luxury vibe. Keep your pots in one color family, like white, black, or terracotta, and group them together. Even a tiny outdoor space can look styled and expensive with matching pots and a few healthy plants. You don't need more money, just smarter choices. Cohesive colors, layered lighting, better textiles, and coordinated plant pots. For more easy luxe for less ideas for your home and garden, subscribe and tell me which area you want to transform next.